Welcome back to our channel, and today we have some exciting news for you. The highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2 is making waves with its leaked design ahead of the official launch. Let's dive into the details. Nothing Phone 2 is slowly stealing the limelight as the company confirms battery capacity, display size, and chipset details. The phone will be manufactured in India, and the Flipkart listing is already live. But what does the design look like? Well, thanks to SmartPre and OnLeaks, we have some renders to show you. Design details. At first glance, the Nothing Phone 1 and Phone May 2 appear quite similar, but there are some subtle changes. Let's start with the design itself. Just like its predecessor, Nothing Phone 2 features a left position punch hole cutout for the selfie shooter and slim bezels, although they don't appear symmetrical. The power button sits on the right spine, while the volume rocker is on the left edge. At the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port, SIM tray section, and speaker grille. Nothing will maintain the transparent back panel design with LED light strips, giving it a distinct look. The Phone 2 will also have dual camera sensors and an LED flash. And the good news is, it will support wireless charging. While the renders show a white color option, there might also be a black color variant available at launch. Changes from Nothing Phone 1. Moving on, let's compare Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Phone 2. While they may look similar at first glance, there are some notable changes and enhancements. First, let's talk about the lighting. The LED lights on the back of Nothing Phone 2 have been tweaked, especially around the camera module. Unlike the C-shaped lighting design on Phone 1, the Phone 2 features a more angled lighting strip, giving it a fresh new look. Another change is the rounded frame. Nothing Phone 1 had a boxy design similar to recent iPhones, but Phone 2 has a more rounded frame. This not only offers a more comfortable grip but also adds a touch of premium aesthetic appeal. The back and front of the phone have a slight curvature, providing an immersive viewing experience and better grip. The Nothing Phone 2 also introduces an upgraded dual LED flash layout, which should enhance low-light photography. And finally, the wireless charging lights. Instead of a single long strip, the Phone 2 will feature multiple small strips of lights, allowing for independent control of each strip. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the leaked design details of the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2. With its revamped LED lights, rounded frame, and curved design, this phone promises an improved user experience. We can't wait for the official launch in July to see what other surprises Nothing has in store for us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.